There's such a huge proportion of older people in Wales now who are voters, so they've got to be interested in what we need and want. I think one of the main things that people are going to talk about is the problems of dignity and recognition, especially in hospitals today. That's a question I'm going to ask later on, because this has been highlighted by Ruth Marks, our Commissioner, and it's something that didn't exist years ago, but it does today.
I would like to see today an expansion of the system which already exists with care and repair, where people are helped to stay in their own homes. Because when you live alone, your biggest fear is something going wrong with your home and you have to cope with it. You really need help at this time, but the little bit of help is not yet available. To be able to stay in your own home means that you can still have your memories and your lifetime around you. You can still have your own books, you can have your own bits and pieces, you can have your own garden, and your life is your own and you are in control of your life. When you move out of the home situation, then somebody else is in control and your dignity has gone.
Well, I do believe that the politicians, they can deliver more and take less in terms of their wages and in terms of relation with the general public. I think they very much distance themselves in a manner thinking, yes, we are the white collar and you are the one who does the work and we are the one to make a decision, but you are the one to vote for us. But honestly believe that in order to deliver, we need to believe in. And we are not believing it, so therefore they cannot deliver in it.
Medical care, I cannot fault it because I have had good my doctor, now retired, he was excellent. I don't have any problem with that. But I still think that there are some people that are not aware of the things that are open to them.
I do believe that this is the opportunity now for older people to actually speak up and get our elected representatives to remember us.